Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you how you can sell products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy and more. When you launch an online shop, you have to spend time administrating the store. However, in order to find customers, you also have to market your store and its products. This can be difficult unless you have a large budget of an advertising campaign or a platform to promote your product, such as a blog or a social media account with a loyal following. If you want to start earning money quicker, you may want to instead consider selling products on an e-commerce marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy. Shopping marketplaces and auction websites are competitive, however, there are few barriers to get started. On a website such as eBay, you get going by selling old things around the house that you do not need. Alternatively, you can search your local area for products that are on sale and then sell them nationwide at a higher price. More established sellers tend to use dropshipping. There are thousands of sellers on Alibaba that help you to do this. Once someone purchases something from you, you buy the product from China and ship it to them. The customer will never know that you did not ship it directly, as your branding and marketing material can be included with the package. To reduce delivery times, many sellers choose to buy items in bulk and send it directly to Amazon's warehouse using the Amazon's FBA program. It's an alternative setup, as you can build up a large successful store on Amazon without ever having to store the items yourself. Create a job board. Another topic is how you can create a job board. What's the best type of website to build to make money online? If you had to ask an experienced internet marketer this question, my guess is that job board would be bottom of the list. Yet there is a lot of money to be made with job board. The most difficult part of launching a job board is attracting companies to post jobs and then establishing an audience. In the beginning, you may want to duplicate job listing from other websites. After all, no one is going to visit a job board that has no job listing. Job boards are then attractive long-term projects. As one the job website is established, it requires very little maintenance to keep it running and earning money. Take the remote OK, for example. This popular remote job board makes almost 1 million a year and it is run by a one-person team. There are many job boards products available online, such as Smart Job Board and jobboard.io, that help you launch your own job board website. A number of job board WordPress plugins are also available. And that is done for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.